Okay, so let's look at this one here. So it says line graphs are often used by businesses to show clearly and accurately how much profit they are making. Yeah. Also, when are they making the profit and when are they going to make losses, not necessarily the profit. You can also use a graph, line graph, to represent your cash flow statement. That might probably be more useful because you know when you're going to have depletion of your cash. So you're going to have difficulties. Okay. So here is how one small ice cream company's profit was shown during the course of 1 year. All right. So it's a course of 1 year. Yeah. How do we know? Yes. 1 year is actually 12 months. So we can see it's January to December. Okay. This one here is measuring profit in thousands. So when you see 1 is 1,000, 2, 2,000, 3 is 3,000. So how do we tell? Because we've been given the key here. Okay. Now, why is using whole numbers? Because using a whole number, what is done, 6,000 divided by 1,000, it is going to make this the more cleaner, the more presentable. Rather than writing 6,000 here, 5,000, it's going to be more crowded. Okay. So they want us to answer these questions. They have given us the first one. So it said, what was the profit in March? Okay, so what we need is this is March. And we just draw a line vertically to connect it to March. And then go to the y-axis, and we'll be able to read the profit. So the profit in March was £3,000. Okay, let's do the rest. Okay, which season of the year showed the highest profit?
Summer.
Okay, so here summer is when and when?
About, oh yeah, June. June, July, August. June, July, August.
Okay, so if you draw the line for June, where are you?
Well, straight up.
Does it?
6,000. Oh yes.
Okay. Is this correct? Is this line correct that I've drawn?
I don't think it's straight.
Okay.
I have it on paper, so I can do it.
Yeah, draw it on your paper. Use a ruler.
The 4 dots on the 6,000 line correspond to June, July, August, and September.
Okay. So this is this way here. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. And then that line there.
Yes.
Okay. Right. Okay. What was the profit in April?
£4,000.
Okay, so that was 4,000. And the next one is how much higher was October's profit than May?
1,000.
Right. So October, how much was October?
5,000.
And how much was May?
4,000.
Okay. Yeah. So you find the difference.
Yes.
Okay. Which 4 months showed the same profit?
Well, the June, July, August, September.
Yeah. The same summer months. Yeah.
Yes.
The next one is which month showed the lowest profit?
January and December.
Yeah, January and December. Okay. Why do you think profit was low in winter?
Because in the summer months it's hotter and people feel like an ice cream. In summer.
Very common problem. The question is asking about winter, and you are saying in the summer months, you see where you start.
Yes.
Instead of in winter.
Yes, because it's colder.
Yeah, it's in winter because it's cold. Yeah, so don't go to summer, no.
Because you're already an ice cream. Because you're already an ice cream in winter.
No, the question is asking about winter. What happens in winter? So maybe they start with in the summer, and they say, what is wrong? Do you understand the question?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Why was the profit highest in June, July, August, and September? So those are hot months. Yeah. This is hot. And then what was the profit in October?
5,000.
Yeah. And then finally, which months showed the same profit as November?
February and March.
February and March. Let's see. Yeah. All right. Okay. Easy, isn't it? Which life was like this, yeah?
Yes.
Then we're going to all jump and enjoy. Okay. That's correct. How about them? So the next one is bar charts, is it?
Yes.